Yo, 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 yo. What up, what up, what up, what up? We're about to get started. About to do some live trading. Let me send the link out. Check the news, then we'll pull up some stocks and get going. Should be a pretty big day, everyone. Uh, let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. All right. Let me send this link out. Pull up Weeble. Ooh, SPY's at 431. Wow. Huge gap up. Let me pull out the pop-up chat. Just gotta get some things situated and we're gonna rock and roll. Make sure you guys can't see it on your screen. You guys can see that right there. Let's see. Make sure you guys can't see it on your screen. All right, forget the chat. I'm gonna do the chat on my phone. Sending the link out, then we're gonna get rolling. Sending the link out, we're gonna get rolling. All right, let's send the link out to. Let me get back on my norm trades. Just getting stuff situated. All right. All right, we good. Let me send this link out. Senators lost. Orioles won the division last night. Orioles do have a bye week. Alright, send out the last link. Alright, that's her right there. That's her right there. We are gonna mark pre-market high and low. Pre-market low is 429.77. So that's where we're gonna look for some support or resistance. Pre-market high is 432 on the dot. That's where we're gonna look for some support and resistance. Yesterday I made out on them puts at the end of the day. Well, not end of the day, around noon, but SPY was strong yesterday. I did not take into account the double bottom because we came down here yesterday and touched pre-market low twice, and then went back up, and I took puts up here thinking it would just stay in that channel or stay in the range for the day. And I should have taken account that there was a double bottom and we could possibly go up and break through there. So let's get at AMD. AMD was strong yesterday. Pre-market low. Is that pre-market low? Was this yesterday? Okay, that was yesterday. Pre-market high. Alright, there's a little range for AMD. AMD is down here right now. I kind of like calls in AMD. I wonder what the market is. I don't trust AMD all the time now. Well, it's holding that up nice. Let's see what SPY's doing. Alright, if SPY's around that 430 and can hold it, that'll be great for AMD. Ooh, AMD's breaking down. Market's only been open about 13 minutes. That's why good thing I didn't trade that. Okay, there's some volume coming in. That's why it's wicking this big. Taking this stupid ass hat off. What y'all getting into this weekend? See where the dollar's at. The dollar's going higher, so that's not good for SPY. Where's SPY pre-market low? That's all the way down here. Let's look at the 5 and 10 minute charts. Want to see if there's an EMA. Okay, there's a 50-day moving average right here on the 5 minute. It could act as support. On the 15, there is 21 EMA. 30 minute, we're bouncing off the 9. And then hourly. See if that's taking AMD with it. It is. I don't know. AMD looks weak, even though AMD is weak compared to SPY, because SPY is up almost $3 on the day, and AMD is up 55 cents. AMD is a smaller stock, but yeah, we're gonna let the market find its footing. We're gonna let it calm down for a few minutes. I feel like this thing could just dump and get back under 430. AMD trying to hold that pre-market low. SPY's gonna take it down. Yep. There she goes. Had a feeling. Had a feeling it could break down. Wow. See what it does at the 430 mark. Wonder what PCE was. If SPY's up $2.50, but I wanted to look up too if I can listen to music on live. If I'm not monetized, can I play music on live? In general, whether you're monetized or not, doesn't matter. If the music isn't licensed for use in your video, you shouldn't use it. Same goes for images, sound effects, fonts, etc. Trying to see if I can play music on here. Sometimes it takes the Twitch server a bit of time. Trying to see if I can play music on here, man. How can I play music on live stream YouTube? Shoot, man. I'm trying to play some tunes. Bro. Can I play music on live stream? You can play music, but you get copyrighted if... That's whack, man. That's so whack. Damn it. I'm trying to play some tunes. Let's let the market settle down for a minute. Let's see what's popping on Twitter. And then we're going to check out the economic calendar. Lions won pretty nicely last night on the Packers. Pat Mahomes, Wave Brittany hit it off and had shots together at the Travis Kelce party. Their sources say the two chatted a ton at the bass. At one point, even took a shot together. Yeah, I bet they did. Roquan Smith, he's a dog. Roquan Smith, 3 pressures, 1.5 sacks, 7 stops, 9 targets. Has to use Mark Andrews and Rashad Bateman more. That's just even a debate. He has to. I think they need to catch and get open. Where's Young Steve at? Let me see where Young Steve is. He coming through the chat, bro? Where's my boy Juan at? Where's Juan? I'm talking Ravens too. Alright, we're gonna look for some trades in a minute. We are just cooling right now. Alright, we better get stuff rolling. Pull up my Robinhood, pull up my Webull. I hate how I have to look on the phone to see the chat, man. That's so whack. Trading $1,000 account is a waste of time. Either get funded or use to learn a skill and make money outside of trading. There's people that take $1,000 accounts to 100K. It's not a waste of time, buddy. See my point exactly. I'm afraid I gotta disagree with you wholeheartedly. Life is what you make of it. Been there, been done it way less on multiple occasions. Did it with more than 1K on multiple occasions as well. I never needed much. All I want to do is make extra money and take care of my dad. 1K is a lot of money in this country. Yep, I agree. You can start an account with $200. If you're a beginner and don't know how to trade, yeah, you're probably going to slowly lose that. Remember, you only trade what you're willing to lose. So if you have a $10,000 account, be prepared to lose all of it. You're probably not going to lose all of it at once, but over a time period you might. But you can start an account at $100. Like, if you give me $100, you can buy 3 contracts a day at least of 0 date expirations. Decent contracts. And 0 day to expirations move very well. Them $30 contracts could be worth 200 at the end of the day, depending what kind of move you get. So let's check out the economic calendar. That's got to be good. PCE. Alright, so I think PCE is getting better. I should have checked that when I first got on here. Okay, so core PCE prices in the US with exclude food and energy increased by 0.1% month over month in August 2023. That's the least since November 2020 and below market expectations of a 0.2 rise. Okay, so that's great. So the market should be strong today. Let's we'll keep that up right there. Go back to Twitter. Damn, I should have looked at that earlier. I don't know. People could expect the market to be strong and it be weak. You can't just go off of that. But where's AMD? AMD right off that pre-market low. Damn it. Hold up. Is AMD really only? Is that a put? AMD. There's no way a 105 call is $28. A call? My phone's got to be messed up. 105 call is $28. I think it was on puts. Why does it look like this, bro? We could see another leg down from right here. I don't know. Maybe we had such a big gap up overnight that, they're going to take it back. But that PCE news is very good. Get back to AMD. Alright, I got filled. I took an AMD 106 call. Small position. We're going to let that rock out. Look at SPY. Wow. How much buying power do I got on here? I got 45 bucks. It could be a very green day today. We could see like 435. Watching SPY and AMD, SPY and AMD, SPY and AMD. AMD looks good. SPY, come on, let's roll, baby. We are up 2%. If SPY pumps all day, this contract will be worth $300. I bought a 357 QQQ call yesterday, and QQQ got up to like 360 yesterday. I bought the contract for 50, sold it for like 65. That contract ended up being worth like 210 in the afternoon. I was so upset. Well, I wasn't upset, but it would have been nice to cash out on that. That would have been like a 400% trade. AMD looks good, man. AMD was very strong yesterday. If we get above these pre-market highs, we can really roll. SPY's playing. There we go. Let's go, SPY. Let's go, SPY. Let's go. There's a lot of action coming in right now. A lot of volume. It's a big candle. We need to push up through there. AMD needs to hold and push up through there as well. Come on, man. We're above 430. We held down here at 430.57. Let's roll. I'm holding this 434 call today because that thing could be in the it could be in the money after a good pre-market news like the PCE index. If AMD can move $2, that $13 call I got is gonna be worth like probably like 80. What the fuck is he doing, bro? Trying to get my boy Cody come through here. Steve, boy Moth from Twitter. Trying to get a few people in here. I just want people in here that's gonna trade and want to talk stocks and news and crypto. Like that's all I'm trying to build, a space where we can all like people can place call outs in the chat if it's a good play. You know what I mean? All right, we're just sitting here watching SPY right now. Dollars popping. That's not good. AMD's holding. AMD's still kind of holding. I wanted to see SPY flip this candle and go up. We can't start going back down because then we're screwed. What we want to see is SPY hold and take the market with it upward. That's what we want to see. AMD still holding a lot better than SPY is. Right here is where we need to go up. We gotta start going. I mean, we got good news this morning, but we did gap up overnight, so I don't know if people are selling off or because we're still in a downtrend over the past couple of weeks. So I just can't get any traction. It's funny. It's hilarious. It's hilarious. AMD's still holding a lot better. There's just so much selling. Shit, why do I keep I'm just watching right now. I do got a couple. I got a little AMD lotto call. Let's see if QQQ is stronger than SPY today. It is. It's up $4. I like QQQ better than SPY. See what AMD's doing now. Still hanging out right there. Shit, I didn't mark pre-market high and low for Qs. Pre-market low is 358.64. Pre-market high, we are above pre-market high on Qs. 361.8. XRP is down 3% in the last 2 hours. Like, when is XRP gonna take off? Damn it. Did I get filled? Did I get filled? Nope, I didn't get filled, damn it. Looking for SPY calls here. It doesn't have a lot of momentum though, it's struggling. SPY is kind of struggling. There's AMD. AMD is looking good. AMD got some strength. AMD is starting to pick her up. Come on, SPY, man. Hold it up. Stop being whack. Let's go, SPY. Do something, man. Let's go. Let's have a trend day where we, like, what was it, yesterday and then the day before? Yesterday we turned it up all morning. And then we fell out of the sky. See if we hold this area and make it a double bottom. That's what we gotta see right now. AMD is still fine. But if SPY really flips red, that's gonna take AMD with it, probably. But AMD still looks good. Oh yeah, let's go AMD. Let's go AMD. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Don't make it a double top. Look through there. There's AMD. There she goes. Yeah, she's powering up. What do I got? 106 call. I need $1.50 move for this contract to be worth like make me about $60. For SPY, I need like a 50-cent move to make this contract worth about $1. Maybe $50. I bought it for 30. Damn it. AMD looks nice, man. Yeah, let's go, AMD. If SPY can get going, AMD is going to be super strong, man. Like, just go SPY. It's like so hard for SPY to get anywhere today. Obviously, we had all these green candles in a row, but besides that, like, it's just been fighting for every little inch, and the bears have just been pushing her down. Flip green, let's go AMD. Let's get a dollar candle. Let's get a dollar candle. Let's get a huge candle in AMD. Come on, let's get above pre-market high. Let's go, man. Let's go. It's Friday. We're trying to end the day, end the week nice, end the week nice and green. You never want to lose a bunch of money on a Friday. It's gonna affect your weekend. It's gonna linger on over to the following week. Even if you break even on a Friday, that's good. That's better than losing $1,000, $5K, $100, even $20. Like, oh my God, SPY, man. What a bitch. AMD's still up there. SPY's down here, trying to make new lows. Is the market gonna? Are the bulls gonna let it make new lows? We'll see. Make this a double bottom and let's go up. This isn't a head and shoulders because there's no shoulders. This could be shoulder, that's shoulder. Um, no, I don't think so. If AMD can hold here, we'll be in good shape to make a move higher. SPY isn't gonna let it though. It's disgusting. I wouldn't even want to take calls here, even though this looks like a tiny bit of support from earlier, possibly a double bottom. It's just too risky. If buyers really don't step in, we're going down. We're going down big time. It looks like it's about to happen now. I might get another AMD call. SPY's holding. See if we can make that a double bottom. right back. I'm gonna go. If Spy can start rolling, man, AMD's gonna go. Let's go AMD. We could get a dollar move in one candle, and then my contracts could almost be in the money. That happens with AMD. When AMD is strong, Yo, 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 yo. SPY's trying to bounce off that 430. Yo, SPY's just been pissing me off. It's been doing the opposite of what it's done the day before each day. That's a nice bounce right there. But it could just bounce just to go back down further. I don't like the price action this morning because there's no clear direction. I mean, we gapped up about $2.50, $3, and now we're back down to just $2 on the day. I don't know if we're gonna get back to the 428 to 428.50. That's a big level. I'm not trading nothing until I see a play or a clear direction. Now AMD's coming back down. Let's pull up the chat, see what Steve's talking about. Shit is garbage, man. This week it's just been like this 420, high 420 area. I just don't like. We bounce above 430, come back down. Bounce above 430, come back down.
Okay. So, yes, that's perfect.
AMD's done for. SPY's pulling everything down with it.
Yes. No, I do not.
Are we gonna get a nice bounce out of SPY? Are we gonna? Is it gonna hold 430? Still struggling. See what the high of the day is. 432 pre-market, 431.70. Still don't trust it. I really don't. People could just be looking for more entries to get short and buy puts. Let's look at the RSI MACD. Why does this look like this? RSI is at 38 on the 1 minute, so that doesn't mean much. In the MACD, let's look at the hourly. RSI is at 55, so it's still a little bit overbought almost. Well, not quite overbought yet, but it's getting there. Daily, we're at 39 on the RSI, so below 30 is oversold. Above 70 is overbought. So then there's the MACD. When that blue line starts to curl under the yellow, that's usually when you see a bounce or it start to go up. Now SPY wants to bounce. This could be a head and shoulders on AMD. There's no two clear shoulders. Let's look at another time frame. Let's see what it's forming on SPY. So not really a head and shoulders on SPY because there's no shoulder. If there's a shoulder right here, then you see a head and shoulders usually take that. They're like, I don't know what the percentage is, but 75% of the time they go. If there's a head and shoulders, after it forms, it's going to consolidate, and then the market's just going to fall out of the sky. If it's a reverse head and shoulders, and the head's down here and two shoulders, and it's going to shoot up. Still don't trust nothing I see. Let's see what my cousin's seeing.
How the hell did I hurt myself today, man? I know how, because they shook me out of my trades. It's all good. I'll get that. Yeah, I gave her some steroids, so I gotta watch her. So what are we doing here? Alright, what are we doing? Watching this level 430, 38 to get a long, possible long, okay? Starting to turn this area into resistance. On the 15-minute chart, there's your 9 EMA on the 15-minute. Alright? MACD crossover. So, if we want to look at the 1 minute, that's going to tell us really the candles and what, the where the volume is, right? Where is the volume really? Where is it really at? Look, to the buy side. Right? Doesn't it seem like to you that, you do have a little bit of selling in here, but the majority of this buying is buying. In my book, right? So we look to see if we get a pullback to 430, 62. Probably hit the long, right? Have the order sit right there at the 9 EMA. Where's Amazon at? I got this thing pulled back and it messed my trade up. That's hilarious that it's still up there. Alright, so Amazon, I made the right decision.
Yeah, there's a little bit of buying down here, but I don't see it. Okay, there's more buying. It's weak, man. It's weak. The bulls can't get anywhere. AMD was looking great earlier. It's still okay. It looks like a double bottom. Why isn't the chart moving? What's wrong with AMD? It's not moving. What's up with this? Is my internet jacked up? Why is that AMD chart not moving? Alright, let me quit Webull and bring it back. QQQ, SPY, AMD. I like AMD better than SPY if I were to take anything. Let's look at the dollar. Dollar's coming down. That's good for SPY. Let's look at Google. Bye bye Apple, Microsoft. Tesla's up $6 on the day. Nvidia up $8. All right, we're right at about where we bounced earlier this morning. I'm just gonna stay patient. There's gonna be something there's gonna be a setup somewhere, but we're not taking nothing right yet. I did take a little AMD call earlier. I got out of that. Lost like 10%, which was nothing. But always gonna be transparent on wins and losses, because that's what makes you a better trader. You gotta be real. No one wins all the time. Even hedge funds don't win all the time. They go bankrupt sometimes. I like AMD better than SPY. Let's see what the contracts are AMD I'm going for. It's 1 in 5 calls for $24. That could easily be in the money in an hour if we go up. I'm gonna keep my eye on those. Now they're 23. If I could get those for $20 and SPY holds and can go up as well, that could be a very nice trade. SPY's trying to hold. There's $1. I don't see SPY hold, man. I mean, we gotta see what these next couple candles do. Alright, 5 minute chart. Okay, on the 5 minute, kind of almost bounced off pre-market low. So maybe that's why it bounced. Damn it, I wanted AMD. SPY's still having trouble. Having too much trouble for my liking. I just feel like there's too much selling today. Yeah, you'll get a bunch of green candles, but a couple red candles take it right back. Remember, always trust your instinct. Don't listen to other people that you see on Twitter or live or whatever. Always go with what you feel. There's been a ton of times that I've listened to other people and didn't go with my instinct and completely screwed myself. There we go. Let's flip this thing green, man. Let's just get one good trade. Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's get a 75-cent pop, $1 pop, something like that. Bring AMD with you. Let's bring AMD with you. We can always get a double charts. SPY and AMD, I have them both right here. Excuse me for that dog. Please shut that dog up, man. Fucking dog, man. Can we hold and go up? Can we hold and go up? We had good data this morning, so I just, like, yeah, we came down and there's always going to be ups and downs and dips, but I just figured even if we came down a good bit, why wouldn't people buy the dip? Maybe because we just had such a big move yesterday, the day before. Excuse me. I need a dollar move to have a great day trading on SPY or AMD, one or the other. See how these charts kind of mirror each other? AMD's basically following SPY, but once one of them gets strong, AMD was relatively strong this morning, even while SPY was weak. I'd like to see us get back to the high of the day. See where SPY is. Okay, 431.60. Okay, we're about 75 cents from the high of the day. I like this. This is what I like to see now. Now we're looking good. Now we're looking good. Watch one red candle take it all back. I don't doubt it. Yep, one red candle's gonna take it all back. Fucking ridiculous. If I'm in calls, we don't get that momentum and breakthrough like we did yesterday. If I'm in puts, we don't see the super downside like we did see the day before. It's probably the opposite, whatever I do. We're looking good right now, though. We're looking good. We got to hold and go. Hold and rip, spy. Hold and rip. Hold and rip, spy. Hold and rip. I need AMD to be over $105. I need about 90 cents on AMD, and these calls will probably be 100%. I bought 3 AMD calls for $24. If they're in the money, they'll probably be about 50 or 60. We just need SPY to go with it. That's all we need. It just has no strength. Literally none. It's gotta show that it can go. And we gotta see some buying. It's Friday, it's 11 a.m. AMD needs to hold 104. SPY needs to get above 431. Like, get bought up. Let's rip. We had good data this morning. Someone on TikTok tried to say I was a scammer because I made $19 from a $17 contract, and that makes no sense. You can get a $17, you can get a $10 zero data expiration contract that goes to $100. I mean, on SPY yesterday, it's probably contracts that went from 20 to 100 yesterday. Because I had a $50 contract that went to 200. Come on, AMD, power up, man. Fucking weak. There we go. We need to really go and break out and get out of this. We got earnings coming up in the next couple of weeks. That is going to be fun. Earnings are so fun. You could get a $10 contract that goes to 300. AMD still struggling. Let's go. Let's rippy rip. Give me a dollar move and I'm happy and I'll be done for the day. Please. SPY's getting a little strength. Need AMD to get some strength again. We need volume. That's what we need. We need buyers. It looks like some volume is coming in. if you're in calls, the longer you consolidate sometimes is a good thing. It's just building more support to go higher. But if you constantly see it trying and maybe it goes up a little bit and rejects and hard rejects, then that's a different story. But right now we're just sitting here consolidating, trying to see this thing get stronger. We need AMD to gain strength, and then we need SPY to take the market. Just a second ago, SPY was stronger and AMD was weaker, and now it looks like AMD is trying to go, but SPY is holding it back. SPY just gotta go, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. These contracts are deteriorating every few minutes. I got them pretty cheap though for $1 out the money on AMD on a Friday. Let's go, SPY. Let me get a dollar move, please. There you go, AMD. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. We need SPY to go with it. We need SPY to take it with us. Flip them candles green. Flip them green. There we go. That's what I like right there. There we go. Let's go. We are shoot, let me get out of this. We're up 40% on 3 contracts on AMD. Get stronger. What the fuck is AMD doing now? We gotta hold strong, man. We were just making a pop and a move to go up higher. I was just about to take profit, but I didn't. I was trying to see a little more room. we hold here after this rejection, it's very good. Don't look like we are. See, that was just a dollar move right there, basically, in two candles almost. Make sure I'm on the 1 minute chart. I know what time frame I'm on. This looks like the 1 minute. I don't know that. Yeah, it's got to be the 1 minute chart. Yeah, it is. It's just about to take profit. That's why you always gotta take profit. This week I didn't do a great job of that. You see profit, you take profit. You don't wait, you don't hold on. Because 10 seconds later, it could be negative. On AMD, hold on, man. Just hold on. Let's buy power up. Let's go. Maybe this can make the move stronger if we hold here. Sometimes it makes you just want to walk away because the stress and the anxiety of sitting in a trade, especially when you had profits and you didn't take them. AMD and SPY need to go together. We need SPY to go right now with AMD. AMD is getting bought up. Let's go together. Let's be strong together. Let's do this. Now SPY is almost already flipping red after that big green candle. Shitting me. Spy's red again after that big candle. AMD's still green at the second. Spy, we need you, man. Come on. We need you, Spy. Take us to the promised land, Spy. This don't look good. Buyers cannot move anywhere because nothing's fucking happening. Nothing is happening. We're just sitting there, moving up a little bit, selling off, moving up, selling off, moving up. Like, this is the most boring day I've ever seen. We're not even in a range going up and down. We're not even moving at all. I should have been looking at these charts, because if I saw that breakout on these charts, I definitely would have took profit. SPY's about to just crash out. I already know it. It's about to just crash out. It's about to try and push below 430. AMD's powering up. Let's go, AMD. Let's go, baby. We need SPY to help us. We need some help by SPY. It's not gonna fucking help us. It's a straight up mess of a day. Straight up mess. I should have been looking at these individual charts instead of these two, because it makes it look like the move isn't as big unless you scroll out. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go smoke. Probably trade for another hour, maybe. Wanna go out, Winkle? go, dude. Come on. Don't play them fucking games. I got shit to do. Come on. Let's go. Let's go outside. Come on. Let's go. Phoenix, come on. Let's go outside. Come on, dude. Let's go. Go outside. Come on. Phoenix, come on. Let's go outside. Come on. Well, you're not going out there. You coming? Phoenix, come on, dude. Let's go. be quiet. You don't want to go out. That's your fault. I'm back. Market's boring. Today sucks. I was looking at this screen earlier. I should have took profit right here on AMD. Or right here. This is AMD, this is SPY. I had it scrolled in. I didn't know it was such a big move, but it was. And then we had a hard rejection right here. I want to see the market go up. We had a good data this morning. SPY's going up. We need AMD and SPY to roll together. Now AMD wants to be weak while SPY is trying to pop. It's just not working. We need to get a nice move up. I want to see another $1.50 move. We get to 105 on AMD and my contracts will be 100% or more. They were 30% on that move up when we were about 60 cents away from 105. Didn't take profit. Next week we're taking profit. We're locking in profits. We're not messing around with a crap market like this. Especially when it doesn't know what it's going to do. Bulls and bears are fighting to stay in the same place all damn day. But who knows? It could be a boring morning, and then we get a $2-3 move up after consolidating all morning. We don't know. This could be the low of the day. Well, low of the day is down here for AMD. Low of the day for SPY is, yeah, this is about low of the day for SPY. So that could be the low of the day. Once the low of the day is in, we could trend upwards. But SPY is not helping AMD right now. AMD isn't helping itself. When AMD was strong, SPY wouldn't help it. We need to get some strength after consolidating. We just need buyers to step in. We need to hold this thing up. We came down here and touched twice to 430 and we held. It's trying to make its way back down there. AMD is just hanging out right above pre-market low. That could be support. We could average down on contracts and get more, but I really don't even want to trade no more today. I don't want to be sitting in a trade for an hour with drawdown. Like, especially with no volume. There's no volume on any of these moves. Besides right here. Right here there was, and then right here the rejection. We're right above pre-market low on AMD. This could be support. Or we could fall out right through it. But SPY's got to help AMD. Or QQQ. Something. What the hell is this? Rubicon? Let's go look at some other stocks. Hold on. Jeez, AMD looks bad. It looks so bad. SPY doesn't look near as bad as AMD now. We still have plenty of buying power. We can still get some trades in. But I do not want to end the week bad on a Friday going into the weekend. Need SPY and AMD to roll together. We need to see some buying. Now, if we get over 104 again, I have some 104 calls now for AMD. It's a sketchy area there. There's volume coming in and it's trying to reject or trying to hold. And days like this just mentally drain me. Like, you're sitting there anxious, on edge. Pre-market low though is a good spot to buy AMD. It is the second time we came down here today. So if SPY can hold up, help us out. Get going. Let's break out of this range. Get back up here. Back to 431. If the low of the day could be in on both these stocks, we're in great shape, you know. And being patient helps. Like, time can change everything. I could walk away from this computer and an hour later, the market be way up here, you know. Up and out, SPY, up and out. Let's go. Alright, our 104 calls are 35% on AMD. So we hit two 30% trades today. I didn't take profit on the first one. I'm going to take profit on this one in a second, unless we keep rolling. SPY struggling again. Now AMD's getting some strength. Now SPY wants to struggle. We got to limit our risk and exposure. Alright, now these are 45%. So that's why it's good to average down sometimes. 52%. Alright, we're making our money back. We're going to take profit here in a second. I just took profit on two of those 104 calls. They sold, that's good. I have one 104 call and three 105s. Alright, let's go, baby. Power up. Let's go. 75% now on the AMD 104 call. That's why we're patient. That's what we do. We be patient. We stay ready for the next move. And we have our finger on the trigger at all times. Finger stays on the trigger. See what SPY's doing. Don't want to take. Ooh, that's a hard rejection. But that was a big move up. We're going to sell our 104 call right there. So that's good. Two 30% trades today. The first one I didn't take profit. That one I just locked in all the profit. That's a big move up on SPY, then a hard rejection, sharp rejection, but we could keep going. I want to see AMD hold and make another leg higher. We got to get back up here to about 104. There we go. There's some volume. See, we got some action now. We got some action. We got some action. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, SPY. Come on, baby. Let's roll. SPY can pop back above. Bring AMD with it. Come on, AMD. We got flip green. SPY breakout. SPY's breaking out. That's a W forming. That's nice. That's very nice. We need AMD to go along with it. Then 104 calls would have been very nice. Even though I did just take profit right about here. If them 104 calls would have gotten the money, they would have really paid. But we hit a 75% trade on them, so that was perfect right off pre-market low. I need to make some of my money back on the 105 calls, though. I'm trying to get to. Whoa, look at that breakout on SPY. Look at that W. Look at that W right there. Take AMD with you, baby. Take AMD with you. We need another 50 cents on AMD. SPY's rolling. Look at SPY go. That's what I've been waiting for, the breakout. We need to break right through this level and keep going. Especially after the W and double bottom. AMD looks weak. Even with SPY. But we're going to hold another second. There's SPY, guys. Come on, baby. Push through. Push through. Push through. You can do it. You can do it. Damn it. You can do it, SPY. Let's go, baby. There she goes. Take AMD with you. Take AMD with you, baby. Take AMD with you, please. Come on, AMD. What the hell are you doing, AMD? AMD's scared. AMD's acting scared, man. AMD's got to get above this resistance right here. And then hang out up here. I don't want to sell these AMD calls just yet. The SPY could really roll now. It really could. It needs to break right above right here. Above this resistance. Break through that level and we're looking good. AMD's acting like a little punk. This is the action we've been waiting for, though. This is it. There we go. Come on, SPY. Let's roll. Even if we hang out here for just a minute and then make another move higher, that's great, too. Let's get some strength on AMD now. Damn it. AMD is holding. A lot of volume. Look at the tape flashing. It's going to be a big move up if we can break through here. Let's get a big move up. Come on. What's QQQ? The dollar is popping. That's not good. QQQ. AMD. QQQ affects AMD even more because it's tech. We're going to stay patient right here. The risk to reward is there. And that is why we took profit. Still could be on our way up though. AMD's holding. Now when SPY's weak, AMD's holding. See if Qs are getting stronger. Yeah. We came all the way up there just to come back down. We're still in good shape. SPY holds here, we're gravy. Oh no, that's a huge rejection. AMD looks like it wants to hang on. It looks like it does. We already tapped pre-market low on AMD. SPY is literally just dying right now. Wow. Back to 430. AMD's good though. AMD's alright. SPY is just total garbage today. We're gonna look for one more trade here in a moment. Look at SPY guy. Let's see if it holds 430 again.
When like the bulk of the liquidity really starts to come in. See that shit, Chris? Isn't that crazy, bro? Yeah, well, I said that. Hey, buddy, I said Norm. I said it, bro. I said 11:30. Let's watch from like 11 to let's watch 11:30. See what happens. Look at the bulk of that liquidity there. Nice job, bro. Nice job, man. Nice job. All right, I'll let you know how you're doing. I gotta see how much money I have left on this. I went a little bit too big on that Amazon trade. I was hoping to get a little bit of follow through and be able to take some losses. That didn't work like that. So I kind of lost a little bit more than I wanted to. Still in my risk range, but on definitely a little bit more. I caught. I did. I didn't make hardly anything on it. I probably made $75, but I still have a couple losses. So it's like it all. I'm red on it now. I'm red on it. I'll put it to you that way. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what I was talking about. So I gotta, we're gonna get our levels and we'll, like Tesla. Tesla comes back down to 247.45. We look to hold that level real long. We're looking at Qs too. I appreciate that, Chris. We're gonna look at that too. We're gonna look see how much. Like I say, guys, I went a little bit heavier than I wanted to on Amazon. Kind of just, I really thought we would get that extension a little bit lower, but thinking back, we've had like Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, nice big days moving. The markets are kind of just breathing here. I'm gonna watch the Qs too.
See if we can possibly catch AMD again.
Well, I would actually look for that.
See if we can catch AMD again.
So, the Qs. Chris, look at those. I'll show you something. Let's see if we,
Too weak, man. I don't trust it.
see if 360.80 becomes resistance.
don't trust it.
What I'm saying is, see if this pre-market becomes resistance here, and it starts dropping further. Because look what you have. Look at this. We broke the 100-day. We bounced back to the 100-day moving average.
Shout out to my boy Justin at Ivy League Trading. My boy Caden at Unity Trading on Discord. Follow him on Instagram. Moth Trades on Twitter. MOTHV. He called out Google this week. Roblox. I don't know what else he called out. Oh man, I'm not confident in anything right now. Shit, I gotta get rid of them other AMDs. I forgot about them. Right back in at 387. I was at 420. Spy's dying. It broke pre-market low. New low of the day. AMD trying to hold the pre-market low. QQQ, SPY. Just took 2 SPY puts. I think I got filled. Sometimes you gotta switch your thesis. Up 10% already.
That's what I say, Chris. Just wait, bro. Just gotta wait. But you could be right. Just hold on. Here's what's gonna happen. You're going to get your intuition. I'm sorry. My other half said it. You're going to get your notification that we're short either a bounce back up here and it just fails, or you get that bounce right
15%.
there, and it turns it into resistance. You look to break that level and look to pull back to like, I'm sorry, right here would be a good area for a long, right? It's got to hold the previous resistance, right? It's got to get down to like 359.06, 59, like the high three.
It just flipped on me.
You know what I'm saying? It's got to get down here into this area is where I would look to get long, just like the spot. Kind of like the spot. Gotta wait.
We gotta take profit. We're still up 6%.
First off, the main important thing is there's no agreement for the debt ceiling. So how the hell are you going to climb higher when you can't even get the CPI data? You can't get data. Nobody's working. Nobody's getting paid. Right? The thing is this level is where I would look. I feel it's like this level. It's like we still haven't made this level like a major support yet. We just took off and never looked back. I feel like we need to make this area support. 356. 356 was never
There we go.
support, guys. Resistance. I mean, I see we have like
Taking profit.
here, right? You break down, boom, boom, you go right back up. Bullish pattern, bang. But we're either going to get our long in here, right? You're going to get your long like right in place to be long would be 357.59. That's all I'm saying, right?
Come on, let me get filled.
Break 357.9. Then you're
Got
looking
filled.
here. Then this is the next area we look to. It says previous support, the double top, and that's what we would look to. Look at that. Right at 11:30, they send this market down the drain, guys. So there we go. Straight. Nice job.
Damn, they would have really paid.
Nice job, bro. Nice job.
They would have really, really paid.
I'm seeing so much. I'm sorry. Like there's support and resistance right here. Kind of. You guys see what I mean? Like there's right here. Kind of support and resistance. Like support right here. Bounce up. Support again right there. Right. Resistance again right there. This is all at 359.75. Come up. What's that? Resistance.
How much buying power do I have? We're gonna buy a couple, maybe a put or two, a couple dollars out the money. We're not trying to overtrade here, but we're still below pre-market. I'd like a better answer.
That's just my personal thoughts. It's like, you see how we got to that level yesterday and just blasted off, right? Well, resistance, you get double top, held it as a little bit of support, bang, rallied, and you never pulled back. You never really pulled back to it. So there's like a thought, what? Yeah, maybe they start getting nervous. Maybe they start covering the short position. Now I look for, look for yesterday's high of day.
AMD held the damn pre-market.
Come on, like it's just not working right now. Right here. This took a high. See if it doesn't turn that into resistance right here. See what happens. The battery, this, mouse, computer. Okay, is it held again? Okay. Alright.
I'd say we go up right here.
AMD's making pre-market lows resistance, guys. For AMD, at least. Let me go to Tesla. Alright, it's making that pre-market low resistance right now. Give me 1 second. It's got to get through. AMD's got to get through 103.67 and pull it back. It's got to get through there. It's got to get through this level here. It's got to break that 103.66, 103.67. It's got to break up through there. And the SPY's at the circle. You know, you could very well get yourself a bounce. But then for the SPY, I'm looking for this pre-market area and the lows become resistance. 429.92, 420 or 430, and then we have the 90 in May right there. Okay, Turkey, right? 430, 90 in May. Down. Okay.
Bulls and bears are fighting. This is resistance for a SPY. That would have been an entry for puts. To really send it down there. Yep. I'm about done for the day after this trade and the spot put. Let's see if we can catch a little more meat. I want to see this thing really go down. We caught spot puts, AMD calls. We had like about 30% trades. Another AMD 105 call earlier for 30%. I didn't take profit on that. I screwed myself on that.
No, it was like, how are you supposed to, like, with that long extension, how are you supposed to put in, lower?
We're below 430 pre-market low, making this resistance right here as of now. Hopefully that stays resistance, and we can see another big move down. That would be nice. See what Qs are doing. Dollar's going up. That's good for spot puts. Risk to reward was there for this spy put. I would have liked the entry right here, but I think I took it like right about here. But this would be our stop loss if we got above pre-market high, pre-market low, and closed above it. I have a 428 put for $65. Hoping to make about $20-$30 on that, possibly more. If this thing really gets some volume down, we could go.
Scout the 429.87 area. That's what I would be doing. Let me say what I would be doing.
There we go, nice move down. Let's really break it.
Crack. If you continue to see levels crack and break, then just lean on the short. Right? Anytime you get a bounce back, lean on the short. It feels like it wants to crack, but I feel like it's gonna hold because of the way it's like seasonal in that level. Alright, let me read this text message.
Trying to see a move down. We are in spy puts, 428. We caught about 30% trades already today. Trying to see a nice dollar move down or so, maybe to 428.50. What up, moths? Moths. Yeah, man. We caught some AMD calls earlier. Where we catch these at? I caught 104 calls right here up to here. Before that, I was in 105 calls around here. Called it up to here. Didn't take profit. I was looking at my custom charts and I didn't know it was like such a big move. I was up 40%. Didn't take profit, but we made it back on the 104 calls that we took down here. And then I just caught spy puts. We caught spy puts from like, I don't know where was it. Right here, right above, right at pre-market low down to here. And I am in one more spy put, 428 put, so the last of the day. I I don't like the market today. Like, yeah, we just got some moves a few minutes ago, but it's just been stressful. And next week I gotta take profit, man. Like I should have took profit on that first AMD trade, and I screwed myself. But we're good. We're green on the day. And then for this 428 put, my stop loss will be this pre-market low. So yeah, man. Just watching SPY, AMD, Qs, the dollar. What's the dollar doing? Dollar dropping a little. I'd like to see a big move down on SPY. Yeah, I was thinking calls a second ago. We'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens, bro. You said you caught Coinbase? I want to do a video on Coinbase on the move that happened like 2 months ago when they had news when there were contracts that went from like $1 to like $2,000. And I think it was a Friday. If you had like 200 or $500 in Coinbase, like 90 calls or something that day, it would have came out to like 50K if you wrote them all day. Like SPY keeps coming through, breaking these levels and stuff, but it's trying to hold, man. I don't know. I really don't even want to be in nothing. I might get out. I'm up like 4%. But I guess the risk to reward is there with the stop loss at pre-market low. I was leaning towards the sell side all day, even when we were trying to pop and stuff. It's just so much selling. But I was confused too, because like I know PCE came out this morning and it was pretty good. And I know we gapped up like in pre-market and overnight, so I didn't understand what like buyers weren't like stepping in, and it was just having trouble like all day. Appreciate you stopping by, bro. If you could just drop a like, that's a big help, man. Just shared you like 10 people. What up, Steve? We're gonna wrap up here in a little bit, man. Steve, you just missed some action, bro. We popped up through here and then just rejected hard as shit. Came down here. Are we above pre-market low now? Hold up. I thought we were below pre-market low. Hold up, bro. Why do I have this here? Where the hell did this come from? That ain't no pre-market low, is it? Am I on the right? Why do I have that there? Maybe I accidentally moved it or something. Shit. SPY's trying to hold down here. This is pre-market low. You straighten that out a little bit. Trying to hold that 429. SPY flash. I'm trying to see it, man. I don't want to leave this freaking desk and then, like, for a while, like a month ago, like all summer, then lunchtime, like reversals were insane. Not saying that SPY would reverse today, but like there would be so many big moves, like right around like 1 o'clock. I know people are probably going to lunch right now. Volume might die down, come back around like 12:31. The AMD trade was nice this morning. AMD held pre-market low again. It would have been a nice little area to scalp calls, but I can't believe I didn't take profit when we had this huge bounce right here. Like that was just idiotic of me. I was trying to get them 105 calls in the money, and that did not work out. And every time AMD was strong today, SPY would be weak. If SPY was strong, AMD was weak. Come on, SPY. Let's see a move down, baby. I got 428 puts. I need a dollar move, man. Let's go. We're up 14%. Let's go, SPY. Dump it. I gotta take profit there. I can't be doing that dumb shit. Come on, SPY. Dump him. Alright, we're up 20%. Let's screenshot that. Let's get ready to take profit. We don't want nothing dumb happening. Ooh, nice move down. Come on. We're up 30%. 40%. Shit, come on. Alright, I gotta sell this. Robinhood sucks at fucking selling. Come on. I didn't get filled. Are you shitting me? Oh my gosh. That's why I use Webull for my other account. Oh, there we go. Let's get another move down. Come on. Should I sell right now? Should I hold 10 more seconds? Fuck. We gotta lock in that profit, man. We got to. We gotta lock in that profit. Son of a bitch. Come on, bro. That 28.50 is a big level, too. It really is. That holding could be very bad. There we go. That's what we like to see. We want to see it tested again. I'm going to get out of these in 1 second, man. So we get a little more. You can't be too greedy. Can't be too greedy. You could go from making 20, 30 bucks on a contract to losing 20, and that's not just, that's like a $50 swing. That could be low a day, that 28.60. How much am I up? We're still up 5%. I wanted that 30%, man. Robinhood sucks at filling contracts. It really does. Damn it. My risk to reward isn't even there right now because son of a bitch, man. Yeah, for real. Robinhood just using Robinhood has lost me money. I think we're alright. Now if we pop up back above here, let's look at Coinbase. What did Moth said he caught on that? Was he in puts? Coin 75 put. Let's check out Coinbase right quick. $75 put. If you caught it up here, dude, that's nice. Or even right here, or right here. Yeah, that's nice, man. I want to make a video on that, what was it? Am I on the daily chart? Yeah, right here this day when we went from like $80 to like 108 or 107. That shit was insane. The money. I don't know who was able to take advantage of that, but whoever did made insane money. Shit. Alright, SPY sitting right there. Yeah, worst case scenario, I'll be break even on this trade and call it a day. Best case scenario, we go back down. Son of a bitch. So you used to only trade coin. Like it's good to have them future stocks that you just know like the back of your hand. Like you trade them every day, you know kind of how it moves. Mine is probably SPY, AMD. Obviously, everyone trades SPY, but I like AMD. What's AMD doing right now? Where the hell is it? I liked AMD in that like 105 to 115 range that it was in for like a month or so or however long, a couple weeks ago. Um, yeah, break even week is good, honestly. I was telling people earlier, I'm just not trying to be red on a Friday. Like, I'm not red right now, but just pick one stock and learn it like the back of your hand. Yep. All you need is one stock. See people all the time, they got all these stock screeners, scanners, and all this crap, and they're looking through 50 stocks, and they got 20 charts up, and they're trying to search all this shit. Bro, you can find one or two stocks. You watch the SPY, you find a stock with relative strength against the market or relative weakness, and you trade it. SPY, AMD, I do Tesla once in a while. I used to trade Shop. Uh, Someone was talking about TLT yesterday, that the bottom could be in on TLT right here. And believe it or not, TLT, like a $1 move on TLT is like a ton of money. Like them contracts get crazy. So I'm trying to see what that's about. I did trade TLT a couple times. I used to trade IWM a lot. I like IWM too. Small cap. But yeah, one or two stocks. Really like five stocks that you really know is nice, but even just one or two is pretty good. SPY trying to reject right here. Let's look at the 5 minute. Um, wow. 15 minute. SPY could really go right here if it holds. We gotta be careful. Appreciate you sharing the stream, Steve. Appreciate that, bro. Look at NVIDIA daily. Yeah, man. Especially on Fridays too. I know I told you. I think it was like, I don't know when it was. It was maybe like 2, 3 weeks ago. And that thing moved from like 408. I was in puts at first, and the call side is what went crazy. It went from like 408 to like 430, and the contracts were like $9, $10. They went to like 150. Yesterday, man, I was in 357 QQQ call off the open, and it ran to like $200. I took profit at like $65, $70 for like a 25% trade. But you hate seeing that. I really don't trade the open too often because I get impatient. I see something happen and I want to jump in it and I get completely screwed. So I try to like just stay hands off for like the first 15, 20 minutes. Today has just been garbage though, man. Like I've been feeling the downside all day. Like even though I was in calls at one point and stuff and wanted to see SPY and everything go up, I just been feeling like it hasn't been able to get any traction, like at all. And it's about afternoon time. I'm wondering if we could see a big move down. We held that 2850. But I'm gonna get out of this call or this put in a minute. I'm just trying to hold him. It's a 428 put. It's up 5% right now. I wanted to lock in that profit for 30%, man, but you gotta be. Robinhood's just a bitch. Excuse my language. Weeble will say nice. You hear that little click sound? As soon as you hit sell and you sell it, you hear that, you know you're good to go. 431 double top. 431 double top. Yeah, right here. Yeah. Um, I think I was in. I think I was in the call side on AMD at that point. Or no, did I get puts? Yeah, somewhere in there. I think I was hands off on SPY at that point, but yeah, that would have been perfect. Yesterday, I think I got puts for like 30% again, but I missed the double bottom. I saw that we held, but I didn't take into account that it was a double bottom and that after that, maybe a lot of people would go long or buy shares and take that. So I kind of didn't account for the double bottom and that after that, people would start to take it long. This shit's whack, man. Why is my pre-market low? Yo, what the hell is up with this? Why does that keep going down there? That could have completely screwed me. What the hell is up with that, bro? Like, why does that shit keep moving? That shit literally moved twice. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back in like 2 minutes, if like 4 minutes, if anyone wants to hang out still. I'm gonna stay live for like another 20, 30 minutes and just see what Spy does. I'm gonna watch Spy from my phone. I'm just going to smoke a cigarette real quick. And I'm gonna watch Spy from my phone. If we get a pop up of 429, 60, 70, then I'll probably get out of these. Which it could go there right now. Probably will, my luck. But we'll see. I'm expecting some type of move this afternoon. Obviously, this could be the low of the day, and we could go up the rest of the day, you know. But I'll be right back in a second. I'm going to leave that up so y'all can see that. Phoenix, what are you doing, buddy? Yo, I'm back. Moth said he entered calls, which wouldn't be a bad spot. Just break over that pre-market high. I think I'm down like 5%. What are y'all getting into this weekend? I got my kids coming down tonight. I got two sons. One's 5, one's 10. We're gonna chill, get haircuts tomorrow, play some play football, watch football Sunday. Hopefully the Ravens win and ain't on that bullshit again. It's always nice to get pre-approved for a credit card. Spy's trying to hold up. Let's see what the hell this is. I'm gonna wrap up here in a minute. Let's see what happens. One of us are gonna make money, either me or Moths, or our contracts are gonna deteriorate, one or the other. I just been skeptical of Spy today, man. Like, yeah, I was in a call. It went to shit. I took AMD. AMD was nice. Them 104 calls really paid. Next week, we're locking in profits. We're not playing. If it's above 15%, we're taking profits. Because this market right now, like, I did a lot better in the markets when SPY was around like 440, 450. Was it in 450s? Yeah, I think SPY got up to 450. But these 420s, man, like, I just don't like it. It's like, are we going down? Are we going to hang out here for a little while? Are we going to get back up to the high 430s? And then the price action every day. The day before, we've gone up or trended up or down, and the next day, we've done the opposite. Sometimes I gotta remember to forget the previous day's price action and just keep it out of my mind, honestly, because it doesn't mean shit. Let's see what we're doing. We are actually down about 15%. We're going to cut this. Let's see what happens. Ooh, rejection. That's what I want to see. I just want us to test this 428 50. That's really all I want. I'll take profit right there. My contract's not going to be as worth as much as it was a few minutes ago because a little bit of time has passed, like a half hour. But that's what we like to see. This could get all balled up there and hold again and then go up. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's dump her. Let's dump him. Let's dump him. Come on. Alright. Let's go. Come on, can we break through it? 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 We're going to lock in profit. We're going to lock in profit. 20%. Don't play no games with me, Robin Hood. Fuck. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. I'm not holding this shit again. There we go. Come on. A little more meat. Come on, baby. Fuck. Let's really go. She's trying. I just sold. Let's see if we get filled. don't play with me, Robinhood. I didn't get filled again. Let me replace the order. Please don't play with me. Just sold. Let me get filled. Alright, pretty sure we got filled. Alright, we got out of that profitable. I think it was like 15% or something like that. And I am out of buying power for the day. Let's see what we did on the day. We're up like 3% on the day. Basically break even. Let's see what I did this week. A little bit over break even. Watch, I guarantee you, because I just sold, we're going to see a ton more downside. I bet you. I'd bet money on it. And then if we break through that 428.5, then damn it, man. I probably shouldn't even have taken profit. I was just so tired of sitting in that trade. But it could hold here again. And then I don't know what it's going to do after that if it does hold. It could sit in this range all day. Uh, let's see if he's still in. Watch like 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes of what SPY does, and I'm gonna wrap up, take the dog out, be back Monday. I'm gonna try to make a video this weekend. I want to figure out how to look at old options because I want to do a Coinbase video on see what that. I want to show people how like $500 in Coinbase on that day could have netted you like 50 grand or whatever it was. There's a ton of moves on SPY this summer with like if you had like 500 and 0 data expirations, calls or puts on a big move. I mean, you could have netted 2, 3 grand, 5 grand actually. There was a ton of 1,000% moves. I caught one day with calls a couple weeks ago. Maybe it was like a month and a half, 2 months ago. I was catching 400 percenters, 200, 300 percenters like twice a week. I would just buy real cheap options, like a few dollars out the money, and they would pay pretty good. That's just an example right there. He took calls and made profit. I guess he entered somewhere around here, took profit, and I was in put somewhere around here. I held, rejected down here, and took profit. So that's just an example of how you can make money both ways. Like on a nice day where SPY is moving up and down, like yesterday, there's a huge move up and then a big move down. You can make money on calls and puts. You don't gotta be biased. I try not to be biased. And if it's a really red day, a bad trend day or something, I try not to like look for the opposite. Like if we're trending down all day, I'm trying not to look for calls, even though like you want to, because you know at some point, all right, at some point this has gotta give it up a little bit. But and then sometimes as well, you don't want to chase a big move down or up. You kind of want to just stick to your plan or your levels or whatever, and not chase and try to force something that's not there. I think on an average day, SPY might move like maybe like 70.07%, 0.7%. Like a 1% move on SPY is like a pretty good day. And then like usually the biggest average move is like a 2% or a 1.7% move, which would be like $7, $8 move on SPY. I think there was one last week. We had like after FOMC happened, there was like a couple moves on SPY that down. That was like $5, $6, $7. Oh shit. Year data expiration puts come in SPY. They might dump it. Make sure the hedge is in if you're still in calls. Yeah, I mean, I was feeling like they would dump it. We're holding here again. I guess that's a double bottom, but like, where are we going if we hold here? I just like we did hold there as of now, but I just don't see where are we going. I think we test this again right here, reject, and see a move down, maybe like 427 or something. Can you please wrap up? Okay. Alright, I'm about to wrap this thing up. We're gonna live trade just about every day. Once in a while, I have to take a day off to do something else, like if I got something going on. But live trade every day, Monday through Friday. I'll be on here. I'll try to be on here about like 9:20, 10 minutes before open, so we can mark levels and stuff and watch the open. Even though I don't trade the open, but it's sometimes you need to get in a position at open to take full advantage of the day. But keep our eye out for news. PCE, as far as I know, was good today, so that's why I was thinking calls earlier. Let me let everyone know. TradingEconomics.com. For the calendar, go to calendar. Let's go to calendar. Um, Go to countries, clear it, then hit United States or wherever you're at, save it. And then you're going to get all the news every day. Look at this every day or the day before to know what's going on. So anything highlighted in red is going to be important. And then it shows you the previous, the consensus, the actual. So I think today was the best PCE percentage since November of 2020. So it says it excludes food and energy, but everything else has only increased by 0.1% month over month this past month. So that's good. Let's see what we got going on next week, real quick. Shit. I'm not in the right one. Let me go to home or something. News. Economy, markets. Let me get the calendar. Alright, here we go. Alright, so today's Friday. We had that stuff going on. Monday, we got manufacturing PMI. Obviously, I don't know what all this shit is. But some of it, I've gotten a little familiar with over time of trading and whatnot and how important certain things are. Job openings, I think that's pretty important. And you can always click it to find out exactly what it is and all types of information. This website's amazing. It's free. Highlights it in red for you so you don't have to, Google everything and see if it's important or not. Next Friday, non-farm payrolls. That's I'm pretty sure that's important. So always keep your eye out for news and stuff. But follow me on Twitter. Orioles won the AL East last night. We're trying to get to the World Series. Trying to get the Ravens to the Super Bowl as well. So I'm always down to talk football if anyone wants to talk football on here or whatever. Let's check Weeble one more time. Rejected again. If I had more buying power, I might take a put again, but I don't. It's all good though. So let me check one thing, and I'm hopping off here. It's our average day today, but we had fun. Appreciate y'all.